Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cloud storage solution with Amazon Web Services. Begin by signing into your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. Locate the S3 service from the list of services. Click on the S3 option to enter the S3 dashboard. Select Create Bucket to begin the setup process. Choose a unique name for your bucket. Pick the AWS region where you want your bucket to be located. Proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Configure options such as versioning and logging according to your needs. Set permissions for your bucket. Ensure the proper access levels by reviewing the settings. Click on Create Bucket to finalize the creation process. Return to the S3 dashboard to find your newly created bucket. Next, let's upload files to your bucket. Select your bucket from the list. Click on the Upload button. Drag and drop files or use the Add Files option to select files from your computer. Optionally, configure storage class settings for your files. Review the upload settings and click Upload. Once your files are uploaded, confirm their availability in the bucket. Now, let's set up access permissions. Choose a file from your bucket and click on the Permissions tab. Set the appropriate ACLs based on your sharing needs. If necessary, modify the bucket policy for further access control. To create a secure access point, navigate to Access Points. Select Create Access Point and name your access point. Link the access point to your bucket. Set the access policy to manage permissions as needed. Now, let's configure cost management. Access the AWS Cost Explorer from the Management Console. Set up budgets and alerts for your S3 usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.